Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know me, my name is Alisa and my friends and family call me Coco, but you can call me whatever you like, and that's not the point of why you're here. You are here because the caption says easy everyday polished makeup. Now this is not a full glam tutorial, it's something that's very natural, light, easygoing and quick to do if you're on the run. Now I'm more full glam kind of gal, but there's some days where I need to run errands and I don't have time for the full face of makeup. I will be starting this tutorial with a base because I'm not confident yet with you know, like showing my skin off, but this look works with or without a first layer of foundation on. So I hope that you like it. It's very simple, to the point, no eyeliner, just fresh and decent for you to leave the house looking, you know, mwah. So anyway, I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit a like down there somewhere and let me know what you think in the comments. So stay tuned for the tutorial on how to look poised before you leave the house. First things first is get your hair up high, like lift your face up. See what I mean? It makes such a difference. And then you're going to situate your brows, like sort that situation out. When you see, I don't know about you, but like when you see someone with their brows done, it looks like they have their life together. So fill in your brows, draw in the lines. If you want a tutorial, we can arrange for that. Fill in all the sparse areas, color it in, shape it, do whatever. And yeah, it gives your whole face a lift, and that's the point of doing it. I just neaten it up and blend a little with the brush at the end of my eyebrow pencil, and it makes the biggest difference to my face. I know brows are supposed to be identical, but in this case my brows are going to be sisters that look alike. So you're going to add a nice warm brown eyeshadow to your lids, like all over your lids. Try to spread them out like a nice nude warm brown color to add some dimension and color to your eye area. And then you're going to sweep a slightly darker, maybe a rust color in the creases to sort of elevate the whole eye area. And then you're going to set under your eyes with a powder. You just have to press it into all your shiny areas, and you know, just to give you a nice fresh awake look. This always helps in reflecting light. You don't want to be an oily mess. And then take some bronzer and just apply it to the contours of your face. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just put it on your cheekbones, under your jawline, as you can see here. And then I color in, yeah, just below my cheekbones to lift them up a bit, and then my hairline. I blend it into my hairline, making sure that my forehead has a little bit of dimension as well. I use the word dimension a lot, but that's the point of a contour. The next thing you want to do is you want to highlight your face. You can either use a highlighter or a shimmery or even a matte beige or white eyeshadow, and highlight your nose, under your brows, and on your cheekbones, just above it, to, you know, add dimension. Then you want to curl your lashes. This is by far the best thing you can do for your face. It makes such a difference before you add your mascara. So curl it, and see, you just add a little wiggle there, so the curl is a little better. And yeah, you'll see the difference. You'll never go back to not using an eyelash curler, trust me. It makes such a big difference. So when you add your mascara, you'll see that it looks amazing. It makes such a difference. For me, I barely have lashes, so I'm so impressed with an eyelash curler. I need one, and my lashes grow straight, they don't grow curved, so it makes such a big difference. When you add the mascara, it just elevates the whole look, frames the whole face, and that's exactly what we're going for, where less is definitely more. Almost done, I promise. So then you're going to take a flesh or a nude lip liner, something very close to your lip color, and you want to line your lips and then color it in. Take your time, just make sure that the color is spread out evenly, blot it together with your lips, and just to give you some natural yet subtle color, and then slap on some lip balm, whatever you have, it's fine. And that's going to give your lips a soft hue. We're done. Look at how simple that was, and you can leave the house looking so polished with this look. I hope you like it.